Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids Moral Story. So today we are going to tell you the story of a treasure for Ramu. Vishnu Kaka's grandchildren had to come to visit him. Vishnu Kaka was a very good friend of Ajja's. They had lived next door to each other for years. Unfortunately, his wife Vasanti Kaki had died a few years back. Though there was a cook, his grandchildren Sharan, Suma and Divya always preferred to eat in Ajji's house, which Ajji also welcomed. With 7 hungry children to feed, Ajji realized telling a story would be a good way to keep them quiet till the food got cooked. Ajji started story by peeling the cucumbers.
Did you know even the gods in the heaven can get into an argument? That's what happened once when Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, found herself cornered by all the other gods. Together they accused her of nothing, that she was never stayed in one place for long, too long. No sooner that you never stayed in one place too long. No sooner are you comfortably settled in one house, do you decide to leave it and off you go to elsewhere. They said to her. Lakshmi sniffed and said, "That's not true. I stay in a house as long as I am welcome. If people think ahead, work sincerely, and spend money wisely, I stay with them forever. Unfortunately, often when I am in place for a while, people behave strangely and I have no choice but to leave." The other gods pooh-poohed this and refused to believe her. Poor Lakshmi decided to needed to show them proof for what she had just said. Here is what she did to show she was correct. Remember, many humans' years make only a second in God's ears. So what took years to happen on earth, the God could see in only few minutes.
Ramu and Rani were farmers. They worked hard in their fields and earned enough money to feed their children and meet their other needs. They were not rich and sometimes they had to make do with fewer new clothes and not very nice wood. Yuck. One day, Rani was digging a corner of her garden in order to plant a tree. As she dug deeper, there was a loud clang. Her shovel had hit something metallic hidden underground. Excited, she dug faster till she pulled out a large metal box. When she opened it, she could not believe her eyes. It was filled with gold and silver jewels. For a while, Rani stood dumbstruck. Then she did a happy whoop and ran with the box under her arm. Ramu, see what I found. buried in our garden," she yelled. Ramu was writing accounts for the month, and for a while paid no attention to his wife. Only when she came up to him and did a happy jig around him did he look up. Imagine how his mouth fell open in surprise when he saw the box of jewels. Soon Ramu and Rani were the richest people in the village. They stopped going to the work. After all, what was the need? They told each other. Why work in the hot sun when they had piles of money at home? They left their small cottage and moved into the biggest house in the village. They had servants who worked day and night doing every small job,
like to give water and I like that only to give
and to
water.
serving food also. So the two did not need to lift even a finger. There was a cook who cooked delicious meals, a person who to serve it, another just to clean shoes, and one person to even fan Ramu as he sat on his bed the whole day and gossiped with his newfound friends. Ramu decided. Then
And
Ramu
Ramu decided the village. And Ramu decided
the village life was too boring, and they moved into a big city. There they had another big house, more servants, and lots of fun at various parties. Slowly, they forgot the good things that had once made them a well-loved family. They forgot to work hard, to help others in their need, or just to be nice people. They thought that with money they could buy anything, including respect. They behaved rudely to others. They spent more and more money on clothes and parties, and as they did no work at all, the money started dwindling. They started borrowing from others, which they soon could not pay back. One day Ramu looked sadly at his account book. It was now filled with numbers that he showed only needed to pay others. There was hardly anything left for himself. In a heavy voice, he called out his wife. "Rani, dear, the good days are over." The good days are over.
Rani dear, the good days are over. I think we forgot to be the kind of people Goddess Lakshmi likes. She has gone elsewhere and we are left with nothing.
We are left with nothing.
Rani stood silently for a while. Then replied, "Never mind, Ramu. We had learned our lesson. I now think of the days I would work all day long and go to sleep and tired person and sleep soundly. If I would fall into this slumber as soon as I lie down on the bed now, I lie awake all night wondering which saree to wear the next day and what to do with our money. I am too fat to even dig like I did when I found that treasure." Ramu smiled and hugged his wife. Well, go back to our old village. We will work hard like we did once and our old ways. We will work hard like we did once and we will help everyone around us. Maybe that will make Lakshmi come back to us one day. And even if she will try, she doesn't, we will try and be happy with what we have. So Ramu and his family went back to their old home, and do you know what? They lived happily thereafter.
The gods watched that was what was happening with Ramu and Rani from the heavens as Lakshmi entered and left their house. They had to agree with her. If the people of the house she entered became nasty, then what could she do except leave and hope they saw the error of their ways? So friends, write in comments, name the couple who forgot good things and behaved rudely to other people and who were lazy. Write in comments. What is the meaning of treasure?
The meaning of treasure is a collection of valuable things such as gold, silver and jewelry. What is the meaning of dwindling?
The meaning of dwindling is to become gradually less or smaller. For sentence.
For example,
dwindling, the audience were dwindled.
So the treasure meaning is the treasure sentence is that the Ramu had found the treasure, then he was happy. So friends, write in comments how do you found our story. So friends, subscribe to our channel,
Hit the notification bell
and press the like button. Bye.
Bye.